Finding the best mechanical keyboards on the market is always a daunting and confusing task. They may be bigger and bulkier, but they offer a tone of customizability and are incredibly satisfying to tap along on. Whether you need a mechanical gaming keyboard or a typing keyboard, it can provide additional tactile and audio feedback to the user and enhance the computing experience. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Let's begin our list with the G413 mechanical backlit gaming keyboard from Logitech. This mechanical keyboard is built with a durable aluminum top cover and gaming-friendly features to help you dominate the battlefield. It utilizes Logitech's Roamer G switches, which provide you with a balance of speed and precision, and has a red LED backlighting to game in the dark. The built-in function keys grant you easy access to multimedia controls, lighting options, and more. Thanks to Logitech's downloadable gaming software, you can customize and program functions and macros on the F1 to F12 keys to execute complicated commands with a single click. Moreover, they are rated to last up to 70 million clicks to provide you with a durable, fast, and responsive gaming experience. Located at the top of the keyboard is a USB pass-through port, which you can conveniently use to plug in your other USB peripherals. Next on the line, we have the Razer BlackWidow V3 Pro mechanical wireless gaming keyboard. This keyboard supports Bluetooth connection for efficient power consumption, HyperSpeed Wireless for lag-free gaming, and USB-C for charging while in use. It offers a Razer Green switch technology that provides a satisfying clicky sound with 50 G of actuation force, ideal for typing and gaming requiring the highest accuracy. The completely clear design allows for intense lighting for better immersion in integrated games and lighting setups. Using a double-shot molding process ensures the labeling never wears off, and the keycaps also have extra thick walls for toughness. The ergonomic magnetic wrist rest is made of plush leatherette to maximize comfort over extended gaming sessions. Another advantage is that the durable construction supports up to 80 million clicks, and it is made of military-grade metal top plate. Meet up with the all-new Pro 2 mechanical keyboard. Every key on this keyboard can be fully programmed, and it offers fully customizable RGB lighting behind each key. It uses Gatoron brown switches, which give the right amount of feedback and travel without being too loud, and give the keyboard an overall excellent typing experience. RGB backlighting are individually addressable, and dynamic lighting effects can be programmed as well. Lighting profiles can be created, saved, and loaded to the keyboard through the software. Up to 16 key macros can be programmed through the computer software. Saved macros are stored onto the keyboard onboard memory and do not need the computer software to activate. Keyboard firmware updating is done entirely through OpenSlab Starter and is much easier than compared to the process of the original Pro. The next product on the list is the KINESIS Gaming Freestyle Edge RGB Split Mechanical Keyboard. It uses mechanical switches for maximum performance, and the genuine Cherry MX Brown mechanical switches offer professional-grade responsiveness and unmatched durability. Unlike conventional keyboards, this keyboard gives you unparalleled freedom to customize the position of the left and right halves of the keyboard separately based on your specific needs. The 10-keyless design brings the mouse closer to your body to eliminate painful overreach. Plus, it is compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Chrome. And thanks to its subtle styling and matte black finish, it looks great at home or in the office. Up next on the list, we have the Razer BlackWidow Elite Mechanical Keyboard. The Razer mechanical switches features new sidewalls for more stability and increased protection against dust and liquids. Every single key on this keyboard is customizable, so you can rebind it to another key or function, or record multiple keystrokes into a macro. You can save up to 5 profiles on the onboard memory and access them instantly anywhere. It also delivers full functionality with keyboard controls for everything from brightness to volume via a programmable multifunction digital dial with 3 tactile media keys. The switches are manufactured in-house to ensure strict requirements are met for each switch produced. Besides, it comes with a magnetic ergonomic wrist rest that snaps to fit at the front of your keyboard and is made of plush leatherette for extreme comfort. Designed specifically for gaming, the Razer mechanical switches provide optimized actuation and reset points, so commands are executed with blazing fast responsiveness. Last on the video, but at the top of the list, we have the SteelSeries Apex Pro mechanical gaming keyboard. It has omni-point adjustable switches that allow for customization of actuation distance from 0.4mm to 3.6mm. This keyboard is built with an aircraft-grade aluminum alloy that lasts for a lifetime of durability and stability. With a magnetic sensor's help, a significantly faster response time can be adjusted as low as 0.4mm, achieving fast, feather-light actuation. You can insert a flash drive, wireless transmitter, or USB device directly into the keyboard and choose where the cable exists on the keyboard. On the other hand, it has an OLED smart display, an integrated command center for adjusting settings and tracking the fly info straight from your game, Spotify, Discord, and more. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications for more exciting videos from our channel.